If you are a cuber and you want to make some cool pattern like this and this for your cube, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm KMT. Welcome to KMT Unlimited. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make this easy but cool pattern. Stay with me at last. I'll show you how to make this unique pattern. Our first pattern has only 4 moves. It's very easy. It's called 6-dot pattern. I'm giving the algorithm on the top. It's very easy, but looking so cool, yeah? To undo the pattern, you have to reverse the algorithm like this. Yeah, and it's solved. Our next pattern is chessboard pattern. I think you know that it's very easy. To make this pattern, you have to turn all the sides of Rubik's Cube 2 times. To undo the pattern, you just need to do the same thing again. Our next pattern is Cubin pattern. It is so cool. I'm giving the algorithm on the top. To undo the pattern, repeat the algorithm 3 times. Our next pattern is Cubin pattern. It's also looking so cool. I'm giving the algorithm on the top. To undo the pattern, repeat the algorithm 3 times. Finally, I'm gonna teach you the unique pattern. It's called 3-side solved pattern. I'm giving the algorithm on the top. To undo the pattern, reverse the algorithm. This is so unique. You can make anyone fool by this. This way. Yeah, subscribe me for more.